Hey guys, hey queens, hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made my own DIY ventilated needle. These the follow comb which I just removed, and these are my new DIY ventilating pins. It comes in different shapes. I made it different shapes which I will be testing in this video to show you the one that suits best for ventilating. Before that, let's go to the workshop. I came with needle too.
And you cannot bend it.
I cannot bend needle
No,
too.
you don't bend it all. This is steel metal. If you want to bend it now, it will break.
Okay. Okay, I'm here at the workshop and this is what we are doing. The technician here is trying to help me to cut out the tip of these pins. The pins here is my DIY ventilating needle. So this is, with this one now, you can fix it in the already holder, the ventilating needle holder, and this is the pin, the ones which have not been cut, and he's going to help me cut all of them. If you heard him before, he was trying to tell me that needle cannot be used for this. Yes, I brought needle and pins for this, but let's try and see what happens. He told me that it will not work, that this one will break. So I want to see it, I want to confirm and show you guys. So when you want to do your own ventilating needle, you should know the one to use, whether random pin or needle. See, it just broke. So this one doesn't work out. So now I'm going to test all these pins. Let's see the one that works best for ventilating. Let's go there. It's one of the DIY ventilating pins. It has hook, and this all I made. I'm going to be texting it to see the one that is best for ventilating, because they have different hooks. All of them has different hooks. The needle is not necessary. From what you saw, it's not necessary. So we're going to be making use of pins for this DIY. I'm starting with this one. So if you really want to know how I made this pin, which I didn't show in this video, it's simple. Although I didn't video it, just use a plier and bend the pin. So this one did not work, it did not pick any hair. I'm going to be trying the second one. So like I said, use a plier and use office pin. Bend the tip first to create a hook, then bend the pin to your desired curve. The curve is not working for us. I'm going to try the third one. The third one has a little curve, then a tiny hook. So this one is just different from the two. And if this one works, I'm going to be using it throughout, because already made follow ventilating needle broke. So I'm trying to get one for myself. So this one worked, and this is the one I'll be using. So when you are bending with the plier, try as much as possible not to bend, not to create a long curve, not to create a long bend, so to make it easy for picking of the hair. So this is, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. I love you.